Hey everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. My name is Chirag Vaishnav. So we all know that if you are having some decent projects in your resume, it for sure has a good impact on the reader. So in this video, we will look at 7 Android project ideas that you can work on in 2021. So do watch till end and let's get started. These projects are going to be fun and fruitful at the same time. As you will try to implement something new, you will have your own product that you can showcase to others, and at the end, it will make your resume noticeable as well. So, in these projects, you will find various domains in which you can explore, starting as a very beginner to make beautiful user interface, to implement basic functionality using APIs integrating with Firebase and augmented reality. Also, link to each discussed project implementation will be in the description, so make sure to check it out. So without wasting any more time, first we are having COVID-19 tracker app. So in this pandemic time, you can help others by making a COVID-19 tracker application, which will show details of each and every city of India and basic details like number of vaccinations completed, cured cases, total number of active cases, and a lot more about it. And there are high chances that in this COVID times, people will use your application and make good out of it. So it will be a very good project to work on. Second, we are having Sticky Notes app. So we as a human tend to forget small but important things. And in order to resolve that, what we do, we write the things up and paste them somewhere we have eyes on. And in this digital era, the things that we are most likely to see is our laptop, computer or mobile phone screens. So what we can do, we can make an Android application to contain all our to-do list or notes we can say. Also, it will be a good starter pack to learn basics about Android development. As in this, you have to create a screen and manage your to-do list in it. Also, you can personalize this application by making beautiful user interface and adding the feature that you like the most. So this project will help you to strengthen up your basics and you can use it in your real life as well. Third is face filters with augmented reality. So integration of augmented reality with Android application can be a really cool project to work on. And it's one of the simple application is face filters. So augmented faces permits the application to distinguish various regions of individual face and utilize those areas to overlay resources. Like in a face, after identifying the eyes, what we can do, we can implement a goggle filter or any other list of filters that we are available with. Just imagining this is giving me goosebumps. So implementing it will be just wow. But now the question arises that how we can integrate AR, that is augmented reality, with the Android application. So now what we have to do, we have to import AR core in our application, which will provide all the basic functionalities what we need for this application. And if you want to know more about it, check out the link in the description where detailed explanation of AR core is given, and then it is given that how we have to proceed with this face filter application. Next, we are having facial emotion detection app. So as we are moving up in the ladder, we can work on a facial emotion detection app, and in this we will learn to integrate machine learning kit that is being provided by Firebase. So in this we will be working on an application that will display the emotion of a human face by detecting the facial expression of the face, such as whether a person is smiling or eyes are closed or he or she is wondering about something, and a lot more. And just thinking about building something like this is wow. But now again the question arises that how to implement this. So we will use MLKit's face detection API to identify faces in photos. Firebase MLKit aims to make machine learning more accessible by providing pre-trained models which we can simply implement in our Android as well as iOS apps to implement such cool projects. So we will use MLKit's face detection API to identify faces in photos. Firebase MLKits aim to make machine learning more accessible by providing pre-trained models which you can directly use in our Android as well as iOS apps to implement such cool projects. And this will help you to learn how to integrate Firebase with your project, which is required by a lot of projects nowadays. Fifth in the list, we are having Paint application. So we all have used MS Paint in our childhood, but when the system shifted from desk to palms, we all started doodling on Instagram stories, Hike, WhatsApp, and a lot more of such apps. But have you ever wondered that how these functionalities were brought to life? So here what we can do, we can make a replica of that application by learning a simple approach about it. So in our app, we first need to create a canvas where user can draw his drawings. And for that, we need to create a custom view where user can scroll his finger across the screen to draw the stroke. And in order to achieve that, we need a tool brush, we need a color controller, we need a stroke width controller, and as more functionalities as you want. So this can be a really cool project, and also you will be creating a playground for yourself. So it will be very fun to work on it. Sixth, we are having Bitcoin tracker. So in present scenario, everyone is talking about cryptocurrencies, and suddenly there is a boom in this field. As a result, a lot of people are involved in it. And as Bitcoin is the oldest cryptocurrency and the most valuable till now, what we can do, we can create an application which will display the current price of Bitcoin in every country. And in this way, we can help a lot of people. But now again the question arises that how we can implement this. We will display current price of Bitcoin in different countries using a Bitcoin API, which will provide us all the information about it. There are many free APIs which we can get. So these API will return JSON, which we have to pass in our application according to our needs. So with this project, you can learn how to use APIs, which is like used in every project. Seventh is Xylophone application. So you might have seen a lot of applications which plays like piano in your mobile phone. So this is just the same. In this application, we will try to implement a xylophone like instrument which is capable of producing sounds. In this, we will create few buttons which will act as keys of the instruments when struck. This is going to be a single activity application, and by this we will learn that how we can import sound in our application either from our local system or by retrieving it from somewhere. And we can make it for other instruments as well. And in order to make it interesting, we can do one thing. What you can do, you can record sound of your friend and then store it in your local system and then use in the application and name the button after your friend's name, and then you can share it among your friends, and it will be a very fun activity to do. Also, you will learn a lot of things from this project. So these were the 7 Android project ideas that you can work on in 2021. I hope it was helpful for you. Also, make sure to check out the project link in the description that fascinated you the most, where detailed description of each project is given. Do let me know in the comment section if you're having any doubt or query regarding these projects or any new project or new project idea that you want to add in it. I will for sure answer that. So do like this video, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.